far as myth goes, they say the ancient people of Atlantis saw a giant wave towering over their marvelous civilization, and that is the last thing they saw. After that, everything went dark. The sea claimed what it was given. The mighty trident rose from the sea. Thunder and waves gathered, and Poseidon commanded them, "Go and take back what is yours." Atlantis was gone in an instant. That is what it took for the Lord of the Seas, a mere moment, to destroy the greatest empire the world had ever seen.